everyone, this is Valeria from West Coast Swing Amsterdam, and today we're gonna learn how to do a moonwalk in 3 steps. Step number 1, we're gonna do a one-legged moonwalk first. What does that mean? I'll show you. We're gonna start off with putting our weight on the ball of our right foot, push our weight into the floor, and then move our left foot back. Let's try that again. Push and slide. So what is actually happening here is I'm pushing my weight onto the ball of my right foot. I'm pressing my weight into the floor and I'm actually pushing myself away from my right leg, pushing myself backwards while I'm sliding my left foot with me. Important to keep in mind is to always keep this leg straight and keep your heel on the floor. So we don't want to see this. We want to keep that heel on the floor. So let's try that again. Push and slide. And again. Push and slide. Okay, let's try this a couple times around. Push our weight into the floor, move our body back and slide. Push and slide. Push and slide. Push and slide. Let's turn that around. So we're going to start on our left foot now. Push our weight into the floor and slide that leg back. Push and slide. Push and slide. So the goal of this exercise is to always keep that sliding leg straight and to keep your foot on the floor. Now, step 2, in place moonwalk. So now, we're gonna start again with our weight on our right foot. Move that leg back and then switch on to our left and repeat the same movement. Push and slide. Push and slide. Push and slide. Push and slide. Step 3. Slide and switch. Now, instead of doing this in place, we're now actually going to move backwards. We're going to start again on our right. Push, slide and switch. Slide and switch, slide and switch. So let's try that again. Slide, now switch, move your weight to your left foot, push your weight into the floor and drag that right foot back. Slide, switch, slide, switch, slide, switch, slide and switch. You might notice that I'm using my arms to keep my balance. My upper body is also a little bit forward, so I have a little pitch in here. Don't worry if you don't get this at first. The most important thing to keep in mind is to keep that leg that is sliding backwards, to keep it straight, keep your heel on the floor. Also, if you want to make this look more smoother, then you have to really engage those leg muscles and stay grounded. So keep your weight on the floor, keep the connection between your feet and the floor, and then use your hamstrings, your glutes, all of your leg muscles to create this movement. And you're done. Keep practicing. You can start by practicing small steps and create bigger ones. It doesn't have to be perfect in the beginning, as long as you keep practicing. So that was it, guys. My name is Valeria from West Coast Swing Amsterdam, and I'll see you next time. Is my love too